Was that not a counter when they talk, say attack no happen for Kaduna? What eventually happened? How can we trust those kind of counter anymore? They can easily issue a statement, react to whatever. But the truth of the matter is that they were not able to rescue these people. So what is the effort all about? What is it all about? If the people who witnessed in Koro, they tell us their own version of the story, you want us to now believe in statement where no be so the encounter story say cool attempt or failed attempt no happen for Nigeria. Eventually they no come out to say it eventually happen. So how can we be trusting them anymore? We can't trust them. We can't. So if you cannot be able to have strong intelligence to say, okay, this thing happened, or it go happen, you not allow it to happen, fight attack. If they happen, they reach out to you. It's taking 10 hours. Or maybe you even hear say what happened. You mobilize, go there. The day where this thing won't happen, then withdraw.
Yeah.
There are issues there. Within our security architecture, issues there. These people should admit say they get issues internally. Now, when eventually they can't rescue, or these people can't escape with their victims, now at this point, you need to do genuine rescue. We are calling for genuine rescue in Nigeria.
What in genuine rescue mean?
Meaning you go to battlefield, you rescue these people, and you get casualties from the side of the kidnappers, attackers, bandits, or terrorists, whatever the name is.